Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with another project share for Ilovearts, and the dies that I use for this project are these two here. And what I did is I created a cute little box. Now I'm going to have the links to all of the dies in this go round. And I will do the unboxing. But most of all, I will link the website and a coupon code for you all to use at checkout. So this is the little box that I made. And it's just like a 4x4 box. Let's see if I can come up a little bit. Y'all excuse the mess of my background. Might need to dim it down a little bit. But yeah, it's just a 4x4 box. And that's the inside. And I thought this would be great to, just put some goodies in, some flowers. That's what I was thinking, flowers. Now, these hearts right here is this die. It is like a border type die. And it fit perfect on this 4x4 box. And I did it all the way around on the lid. Take this off. So yeah, all the way around the lid. And then these little floral pieces there, and the words that says "Forget Me Not" is this die here. So you can see that it says "Forget Me Not" there. And how I got I just did two different colors and I just kind of offset them a little bit. And that is that there. And this these little florals, I did like 3 layers of different colors. And then I just did a little cluster of my little flowers. I am still into the strawberry milkshake paper. I put a little strawberry cabochon there. I was selling those on my website, which those will be back in like really soon. And then I have some little flowers there. So yeah, that is my project share for Ilovearts Shop. And that's it. So tell me what you think, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.